In this video, I'm about to show you how to fix OSU randomly crashing on Windows 11. First, make sure you're running the latest version of OSU. Now check for updates within the game or on the official OSU website. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Then visit the NVIDIA, AMD or Intel website to download the latest versions. Next, right-click the OSU executable, select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab and check Disable Full Screen Optimization. Right-click the OSU executable and select Run as Administrator. Make sure your Windows 11 system is fully updated. To do this, go to Settings, select Update and Security and click Windows Update. Right-click the OSU executable, select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab and try running the game in compatibility mode for an earlier version of Windows 7 or 8. Perform a clean boot to eliminate software conflicts. After that, go to System Configuration, select Services, check Hide All Microsoft Services, then click Disable All. Ensure your system has enough free resources, CPU, RAM, disk space to run OSU smoothly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.